Alright guys, today I'm going to be going, not really fishing, I'm going to be testing a new product I just got. So yeah, as you can see, fishing crap all over. These are all my old fishing rods and stuff. I finally got a decent rod. Well, these are actually all pretty good. This one's kind of messed up. These are cheap, but this one's pretty good. But anyways, I got an Abu Garcia Pro Max. I spooled up with 15-pound spider wire easy braid. Have a storm jerkbait on there. It's a 6'6" medium rod, so yeah. I'm excited to get this show on the road. I'm bringing just a bunch of different. I'm bringing one tackle box actually, not a bunch of different baits, but yeah, let's go have some fun. I don't think the fish will be out, but you know what? I'm just gonna go test that thing out and see how I like it. So let's get right into the video. Boom. Oh. Come on, Gunk, get off there. Quack, quack, you ducks. Oh! 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 Fuck! Fuck! Oh, it's cold. Oh my god. Damn it. Oh god. Oh. Ah. Oh. Oh, my rod's okay. I don't know if my camera's okay. I hope you guys didn't get wet. Got it. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right, here. Let me just hang up my rod for a second. Oh. Oh. My feet are completely soaked. Camera's okay, I think, a little bit. Oh my god. Oh. Ah. Oh, I'm so cold. Oh my god, I cannot believe I just fell in the water. I cannot believe I just fell in the water. Oh, it's disgusting. Gross. Mucky goose. Ooh. Gross water. That's disgusting. Oh, God. Oh. Oh, my God. I'm still recording. I just fell in right there. Kind of sucked. Oh, my God. I can't believe I just fell in.